Here's a stack of cards that you can cut down the middle and just get yourself moving with your family, with your friends, however you want to do it. There's a words down here, and then there's also showing you a drawing of what's going on. So this one says clap your hands. So you're going to clap your hands however many times you choose. Cross your arms, so cross them anytime you choose. Hands in the air, hands on your head. This is a nice packet of fun. Hands on your hips. Hop one time. Cross your elbows. Jump one time. Stomp your feet. Sway your arms. Touch your toes. Hands on your knees. This just gets you moving around a little bit. Kind of gets your whole body happy. Hands up high. Kick one time. You can always change that to more than one time. March in place. Pat your lap. Swing around, tap your toes. Touch your shoulders, stand on one foot. You can do this over and over. You can add, stand on one foot, go to the next foot. However you want to change this up, but just have lots of fun with it. Get yourself moving, get your family moving. Have fun. Bye, friends.